Hi girls, this is a video about equations with brackets. First of all, let's look at what an expression with brackets looks like. So I have 2 bracket x plus 3. But what does this mean? Well, it means 2 times everything inside the brackets, which is x plus 3. So 2 times x plus 2 times 3. Sometimes we want to remove the brackets and have the whole expression without the brackets. Sometimes we want to write without the multiplication sign. The word expand in maths means to write without brackets, to remove the brackets. And we're going to remove the brackets before we solve some of the equations we're doing today. So 2 brackets x plus 3, we draw in, I call them rainbows or lines with arrows. 2x and then 2 times the positive 3. 2 times positive 3. So everything inside the bracket gets multiplied by the number in front. 2x plus 6. Let's do some more examples so you can see further how this works. We've got 3 brackets, x plus 4 close brackets. 3 lots of x plus 3 lots of 4. And then simplifying that is 3x plus 12. Five bracket x minus 2. 5 lots of x. And then 5 lots of negative 2. So that negative sign's really important. And then simplifying that, we'll get 5x minus 10. And let's do another. So we've got 3, 4 minus x. So the order is different here, but the process is the same. So 3 times 4 first, and then 3 times negative x. Which is 12 minus 3x. Okay, so it's your turn now. I'd like you to stop the video, have a go at the 3 questions that I'm writing on the screen. Try and solve them, so expand the brackets, and then once you've done that, turn the video back on and check whether you've got the right answer. So the first question is 2 bracket x plus 6, and the second question 3 bracket y minus 4, and the third bracket negative 2, don't be scared by that, x plus 5. So stop the video now and try those questions. Okay, hope you did well with those. Let's have a look at the answers. We've got 2 times x plus 2 times 6, which is 12. So 2x plus 12 for the first question. We've got 3 times y, which is 3y. And then 3 times minus 4, which is negative 12. And negative 2x. And negative 2 times 5, which is negative 10. So let's start doing some equations with brackets. And you might also see this written in your textbook or worksheets as grouping symbols. So our first step with equations with brackets is going to be to expand the brackets. So expand first. Here's our first equation, 3 bracket x plus 4 equals 18. We know it's an equation because it's got an equal sign. So let's expand 3x plus 12 equals 18. Now this looks like a normal equation. We're going to take 12 from the left-hand side because we want all the numbers on the right-hand side. That leaves 3x on the left equals 6. Now we need to divide by 3, which leaves x equals 2. Good job. Okay, next one. 2 brackets m plus 1 equals 5. So let's expand the brackets. 2 times m plus 2 times 1 equals 5. First step, take the 2 and put it on the other side. So minus 2 minus 2, 2m equals 3. Now we're going to have a fraction for our answer, which is fine. So divide by 2, m is going to equal 3 over 2, which is 1.5. And just leave it as 3 over 2. That's completely fine. All right, let's do 2 more examples. We've got 6 brackets m minus 1 equals 24. So first step, expand the brackets. 6m minus 6 equals 24. Going to plus 6 to both sides. That leaves us with 6m equals to 30. And then we need to divide by 6, and m equals to 5. And the last question we'll do is 2 brackets 3x plus 2 equals 16. So expanding the brackets, 2 times 3x plus 2 times 2 equals 16. So 6x plus 4 equals 16. Now we need the 4 to go on the other side. So minus 4, 6x equals 12. Divide by 6. X equals to 2.